first of 9. Racing now. Oh, it missed it. Shooting to Win came out last, and Our Masquerade showed no speed. Count de Crona left quickly with Royal Moment up on the outside going forward. Likewise, the Big Rig and showing speed as Flick Pass. So good charge into the first corner. The Big Rig will take the lead from Royal Moment. Flick Pass third, Count de Crona fourth. Taraneem behind those fifth, and then Shooting to Win's got up to midfield after that average getaway. Behind those is El Mahindra. Behind those Single Soiree, Our Masquerade. Towards the tail end it is All Cool. So 600 left to run. Royal Moment the outside of the Big Rig. A length and a half away. Flick Pass third. Fourth is Count de Crona. Taraneem is next, and then followed Shooting to Win. Still midfield up towards the bend. Then Our Masquerade, Sun Jean. Behind those Single Soiree, and at the tail end is All Cool. 350 left to run. Royal Moment took a narrow lead. Shooting to Win's quickly onto the scene though. Oh, it pounced on the lead at the 250. Shooting to Win went up to Royal Moment and got clear. The Big Rig boxes on. Then Our Masquerade. It's Shooting to Win in front. 125 to go. Broke clear of Royal Moment, the Big Rig, and Our Masquerade. But this is a heavy debut. Shooting to Win missed the start, but still too good for them. One and a length and a half, the Royal Moment. Third, Our Masquerade. Fourth, the Big Rig. El Mahindra got home next for fifth, and then Count de Crona. Flick Pass behind those, Taraneem. All Cool, Single Soiree, and Sun Jean.